Xin chào, hello everyone. This is Hello Vietnamese, perfect your Vietnamese pronunciation. I am Trang TB. In today's lesson, we will learn the first part of Vietnamese single vowels. As you may already know, the Vietnamese alphabet has 29 letters in total, 12 vowels and 17 consonants. A Vietnamese word may include from 1 to 3 syllables, and each syllable includes one optional initial consonant, a vowel or diphthong or diphthong, and then another optional final consonant. This is all Vietnamese vowels in the alphabet. As you can see, there are totally 12 vowels. However, there's only 11 single sounds because I and Y in Vietnamese are pronounced exactly the same. In today's lesson, we will learn the first 3 letters of Vietnamese vowels. Let's listen to me. You don't have to repeat. I will explain it later. A, again. A, You don't have to repeat after me because there is one very important note here, that the letter A and the A letter with the smile and then the hard vowels never stand alone without a final consonant. It may sound a little bit confusing, so let's look at this example. The first word here is ba, bờ, and a. And the second word, you may remember a, So the second word is ba, a. No, these words don't exist in Vietnamese writing system. And the second note is when go with a final consonant. A with a smile and A with a heart will be pronounced differently from when it is pronounced in the Vietnamese alphabet. Let's look at another example. Let's listen to me, and if possible, let's repeat. An, again. An, and un. So the letter A in Vietnamese is always pronounced like the A letter in the English word cat or hat. Again, a, an. The letter A with a smile when goes with a final consonant, it is pronounced like the U letter in the English word cut or bus. So in this word, it is an. Finally, the A letter with a heart is pronounced like the article A in a cat, or an as in an apple. So let's listen to me. I'll pronounce the 3 words here again. An, again. An, un. Finally, we will end this lesson by practice some new vocabulary. Let's repeat after me. An tâm, an tâm. Ăn cơm, ăn cơm, ân hận, ân hận, anh hùng, anh hùng, mang, mang, nắng, nắng, nuôi nấng, nuôi nấng. That's all for the lesson today. In the next lesson, we will do some more practices and we will learn more Vietnamese vowels. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in our next class.